Welcome to another video. We are at Arabie Dam, Team TVL, myself and Zaid, for the Ebass finals. So it's leg 9 and leg 10 put together Friday and Saturday. And yeah, Arabie's hot, boiling hot. It's going to be crazy heat wave this weekend. But we're hoping we can find a big uns and shoot up in the rankings. Let's see how it goes, hey boys and girls.
Yes, boy. Small guy. I think it's off. I'm not even a keeper. Not even a rock. The big keeper.
That's a keeper.
You lost it. Oh no.
He snapped me off.
Oh, jerkbait gone.
My whole jerkbait.
That's a problem on 10 pound.
This is not 10 pound, this is 12 pound, but it's... How did it snap, man? I just... Oh. Actually, somewhere here, I landed here, like, on this point, and as I started going...
Bigger.
Damn it, but did you see how it took my line? I wasn't even doing anything. Probably the same guy again. No, big one. Ah, this is a big one. Ooh.
Keeper.
Yeah, definitely.
Where's the net? Where's the net?
In the yes. So small, flipping boxes like that.
Yeah, no. I saw it when I jumped there. I saw it.
Yeah,
It's a keeper though. It's a bag. Number 1 for the bag.
Holy man, rooster.
You there? Well done, boy. Well done.
Off camera, we're letting the cameras cool down with the heat, and this is our biggest so far. Still
We've
not.
got 2 of those sizes now.
Big one.
Here's the net.
Oh, you stuck nothing. Oh,
It's a nice one. It's a nice one, Bassinet. Well done, boy. Right in the shallows, eh?
dragging it. There's also like rocks or something. I felt like something hooking.
That's a fish.
You on?
Yes.
Ah, small guy. There was a fish there. I had a feeling.
Keeper. Another few one.
Anyways, here we go. Fishy, off camera, charging cameras, decent one, but it's only decent one. We got a small one in the live well. Tough day, tough day. But there's some structure around here. A couple of rocks. So it's showing that there's more than one on this tree here. One behind the 11.
Where's the structure on that side?
Oh! Good fish. Good fish, good fish, good fish, good fish. Good fish. Oh my word, oh my word, oh my word. Go back this way.
No, don't lose this fish. Whenever you do. Oh my god, that's a big one. That's a freaking monster. No, give him some slack. Let him run. Let him run, boy. Let him run. Let him run. Take it easy.
Is your line in here?
Don't panic. No, it's not. It's just there. I've reeled it up. Bring him, boy. Slowly. Slowly, don't rush yourself. Don't rush yourself. No problem.
Come here. Zaid, nice. Zaid.
Oh my god, that's a winning fish, boy. That's the biggest one of the day. That's a fucking monster. Oh my god. That's your PB.
Nah.
Yes, that's your PB.
But it's big.
That's your PB, no?
But it's big.
No, that's your PB.
Look at this guy.
Yeah.
Look at this.
No, that's your PB. Yeah.
I'm shaking.
No, that's your PB.
How did he take? Just yes. As I started to reel in past the stump. Put it on spotlight.
3.41. What's your PB?
3.45.
3.42.
Oh.
Almost.
Nice.
Okay, let's get this big one. Oh, they teeth are sharp. Yeah. That's 3.45. 3.45. Estimator himself, the man of the moment who caught the biggest fish of the 2-day classic at the Arabie Dam.
Yeah, it was awesome.
So tell us about this monster that you caught.
Well, we went into the river for the first time actually since we've been to Arabie. We went into the river and fished a couple of trees we were told to try, and yeah, we caught 3.45 on a jig with ET Secret Junior Frog as a trailer. Yeah, it worked. FX Custom rods at 16-pound line. What a weekend! What an awesome weekend!
Well done on the biggest fish.